Is your H2O wireless SIM card not working? Don't worry, you can often fix it yourself. H2O Wireless, a prepaid carrier utilizing AT&T's network, relies on physical SIM cards. Common issues include no service errors, dropped calls, or inability to send/receive texts. The primary reasons for these problems are physical damage like scratches or bends, poor contact due to dust or improper insertion, activation errors after switching devices or plans, software glitches, or, rarely, network-side problems. We'll cover how to address these issues, starting with the simplest solutions. First, power off your device. Next, clean the SIM card by gently wiping the gold contacts with a soft, lint-free cloth. Then reseat the SIM card. Eject the SIM tray, remove the SIM, inspect it, and firmly reinsert it, ensuring proper alignment. Power your device back on. If the issue persists, activate the SIM card through H2O's app or website, entering the SIM's ICC ID. If still inactive, contact H2O support at 1-855-478-6789. As a last resort, if cleaning and reseating don't work, request a free SIM card replacement from H2O online or in-store. Also be aware that H2O is slowly implementing eSIMs for newer devices, so check the device settings for the ability to switch.